It's very important to me, brothers and sisters, that you understand what does it mean that Jesus laid down his life for you. It's such a pervasive reality in church life and our walk with God, but I think we can really miss what actually is going on at the cross and what was secured, what was accomplished. 3 words: the cross saves. This is the heart of the gospel, and this is why I don't mind saying definite atonement is the heart of the gospel, because I believe the cross actually does something. The cross saves. Kids, look at me. I want you to repeat after me. Say the. Say cross. Say saves. Say the cross saves. That's the gospel. Jesus died for the sins of his people. The sacrifice of the Good Shepherd was an effective sacrifice.